Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and her love for nature. Every day after school, she would wander into the forest, greeting the animals and tending to the plants. One day, as she explored a part of the forest she had never seen before, Lily stumbled upon an old, frail tree. Its branches were bare, and its bark was cracked and dry. The tree seemed to whisper a sad tale of neglect and loneliness. Feeling a deep sense of empathy, Lily decided to help the tree. She began by bringing it water from the nearby stream, making sure to visit every day. She sang to the tree, read stories to it, and even decorated its branches with colorful ribbons. As the weeks passed, a miraculous transformation began. The tree's bark started to heal, and tiny green leaves sprouted from its branches. Birds returned to nest in its boughs, and soon the tree was the most beautiful and vibrant in the entire forest. Word of Lily's dedication spread through the village. Inspired by her example, the villagers began to take better care of their surroundings. They planted gardens, cleaned up litter, and ensured that the natural beauty of their home was preserved. One day, an elderly villager approached Lily and said, "Your kindness to that old tree has brought our village closer and made it a better place for all of us. You have taught us that even the smallest actions can have a big impact." Lily smiled and replied, "I just did what felt right. Nature takes care of us, so it's only fair that we take care of it in return." From that day forward, the village thrived. It became a place where everyone respected nature and each other, living in harmony and peace. And Lily's tree, once frail and forgotten, stood tall and proud, a testament to the power of kindness and the importance of caring for the world around us. The moral of the story is that small acts of kindness and care can lead to big changes, inspiring others and improving the community. Hope you will love the nature and take care of it, and let's make our surrounding green and nature. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more video.